Alrighty, folks. We're getting one of the shoes.
Damn,
Buddy, look at that guy. Alright, so we're headed to 4wheel buy because I don't think that my tires are balanced right. And before I got these, I had some like 20-year-old BFG all-terrains on it, and it rode a lot smoother than these brand new rims and tires do. And it's not like a bash on custom offsets or anything, but maybe they were just like trying to get it done as fast as they could.
Yeah, they are. They were.
I think they were, yeah, just because of the whole coronavirus. Like, they shut down for 2 weeks because they had to catch up on orders. So like, I don't know if they just got them out and shipped them and was done with it. So nothing against them, but we had to drive like an hour and a half away from our house because this is the only place that'll touch big rims and tires. Like Bell Tire, Discount Tire, they said they won't even look at them just because they know they couldn't do them. And they did Justin's truck, and I mean, his truck rides like a dream. I mean, it's smooth as hell.
It's a Ford-a-lac.
It's a what?
A Ford-a-lac.
It's a Ford-a-lac. F-250 Ford-a-lac.
Yeah. Got the old drop stars on the same one.
All right, we're pulling in. Damn, look at that thing, dude.
Yeah, just full in here.
Look at that
Look at
thing.
Raro.
This place is pretty cool. Hell yeah, they got the whole setup here. All right.
This color is dope.
Dude, hell yeah, those are sweet. What is this?
That's like an illusion over fuel. It's a Maverick.
Hey guys, they got the setup here, man. They got everything. Yeah, what is that? Is that a 24?
That or a 6, huh?
Dude, those are sweet.
These vision probably fit that suit too.
What motos are those? Those are just
70s. Those are the 62s down there.
Dude, those would be like Ryan Mayer style right there with the purple.
Who?
Ryan Mayer.
Oh, yeah. That's how you got the RVPs.
Oh, buddy, what do you got there? Oh, dude, those fuels are sweet.
30 by 14 by 14 again?
Where?
That one. It's $470. Trying to go to these sand guys?
You guys need some, man. There they are. Yeah, this is sweet in here. What are these?
21 ones.
Oh,
Need
yeah.
180. Oh, these are my wheels.
These are yours?
Yeah, sludge.
All the sludges? The 20 by 9 though?
What's going on, man?
How you doing? Not too bad. There's gear. That's a sweet hoodie.
They got these shirts over there.
This one's for the girls. For your old lady.
Medium. Or small.
Oh, yeah. What are they? Xplora MTs? Some new Federals. Oh yeah. I don't know, man. Still not a big fan of Federals.
Have you seen their new RT?
No. Where's that?
Yeah, that's where it's at. Dude, they're stupid cheap, and to be honest with you, it's probably going to be their best tire they've ever made. Yeah, it's the new RT they just came out with.
That's pretty cool.
Came out 2 months ago.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I like the tag on them.
Made for America.
Yeah, those are cool looking. I like those.
They're super quiet too.
Are they really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
They heavy?
The 35s are, the 35s and an 18 are 33 pounds.
It's not
Yeah, I'm not
bad.
24s. Do they make it 24?
No, not yet.
Yeah.
Those are
The 26 by 12.
26 by 12.
I don't think I could run a 12 on that 26. I feel like that's
Yeah.
just like, that's almost like trying to run that tire, you know? It's like a wagon wheel.
Yep.
There you go.
Sweet. Snap on one, that was some money there. Alright guys, so I just hopped on the E-Way. Well, didn't just hop on the E-Way, I've been on the E-Way for a while, but I've been on the phone. This thing rides smooth now. They custom offsets put silver and white weights on it, and they didn't like the look of it, and I didn't really like the look of it either, and obviously because you can see it on a black wheel pretty good. So they put black weights on it, and I mean, normally when I get on the expressway, I don't even have to look at the speedometer. I can just tell where I'm at depending on where the shake's at. And when I was on the phone, I didn't feel the shake, so I just kept giving it gas. I looked down, I was doing like 83, and I'm at 74 right now, and it's smooth sail now. So those guys definitely know what they're doing when it comes to the big wheels and tires, and they have a huge. Who did they get all their stuff from? What was it called? Custom something. It's a huge company. They get all their wheels and tires from there, and they claim that they'll beat anybody's prices anywhere. So they do all kinds of stuff there. They do like lift installs, bumpers, wiring, lights, everything. They do all kinds of stuff. So yeah, powder coat, and they do. Right now they don't because their oven just went down, but got some picked up a hat from them. Kind of like the hat, looks pretty cool. Bean's got one too. His is red. Mine's blue because that's the color I'm gonna try and go for on this thing. But they said that one wheel took like 8 ounces, but I guess that comes with buying lower end tires. They said if you put like 8 weights on a Netto or like a big brand tire, like something's wrong. But they say that happens a lot with the lower end tires, which I don't really think that Venom's a low end tire. I mean, they were kind of expensive. I mean, maybe it's just the brand, they don't do that good of make that good of tires, I guess. I don't know, but I like the Venoms. They ride smooth now for sure, and yeah, everything's good. So check them out. Maybe we got here a Porsche. What, race bro? Light you up? All right, no, he wants it, but I don't want it. I think it's probably fast. He's flying. So, all right, check them out. Thanks for watching. Tell them to subscribe or no? No, subscribe. Don't subscribe.
Actually, unsubscribe if you already are.
Yeah, unsubscribe if you're subscribed. Do what you want.
We're trying to go for the least subscribers on YouTube.
Yeah, that's a good one. Everyone tries to get a lot of subscribers. We're trying to just hit rock bottom. So check her out. Check us out. Check him out. Check everyone out.
Check them out.
Thanks for watching.